Hello, Winston. Good to be back again. Thank you for your question. Yes, it's a very difficult sound to pronounce, but you have reached a stage where you can notice the difference, and it's time to practice and learn it properly. For many of you wondering who Winston is, he's not fictional. I'll play you his voice message and you can hear it for yourself. And then we'll go to the explanation and I'll show you how to pronounce the sound TH in English. Here is the question that Winston asked me.
Hello，大空。如果你有时间，又到了 Winston 专属的发音教学短视频了。I'm putting on my clothes, masks。这种我们中国学生还是很难发音的 ，THES 这种发音 ，months, clothes。
There you are. That's Winston. So you know who he is now. You've heard his voice. And yes, he has asked the question and I'm very happy to answer him. The difficulty with the letters TH is that this sound is not found in many other languages. In particular, not in Chinese. So you have to learn a new sound. To learn a new sound, you have to be able to hear the difference first and then try to speak the difference. And to speak the difference, you need new movements of your mouth and tongue because they have never been formed and executed in this way. So let's begin. So you watch me. So these 4 words: cloth, 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 cloths, clothes. So this is the TH at the back of the word, but you also have TH at the front, like 3, the, there, then, them. So there's quite a few. And then you have TH in the middle of the words. Common words like mother, father, brother, bother. So it doesn't really matter if you can't pronounce it so precisely. Even native speakers don't do that. What I've said before, when the student is ready, the teacher will appear. So watch my tongue and mouth. The most important feature in pronouncing this TH is the tongue. The tongue. The 3. Can you hear it? Three. So you have the tree. Those are trees behind me. And then there are 3 trees. There are 3 trees. And then in the middle, you have brother, 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 sister, mother, father, father. So you have to practice your tongue. It is not easy. It will take you a few weeks of constant practice, but don't worry. And the TH in the back of the words, like cloth, 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 cloths, clothes. When you say it fast, it's cloths, clothes. And then the other one that you asked me about was sixth. But when you say it fast, they merge together. Sixth. So sixth, fifth, fourth. That's how you would say it when it's exaggerated. So 6th month, it's the month of July. It's the month So when you say it fast, your tongue doesn't stick out so much. But when you're practicing, I think it's a good idea to poke your tongue out a little bit more so that you exercise your tongue in this manner. Th, th, the. But most people will just say the. The dog, the cat, rather than the, the cat, the dog. But the tongue can be just in front, but may not poke out all the time. It can be just very little, or just touching the front of your teeth. The, but there's a breath to it. The, breath, breathe. So it takes a lot of practice. But don't worry, now that you can hear it, I'm sure you'll be able to pronounce it very soon. Just keep practicing. Thank you for the question. It's a really good question that most people are not aware of. So, congratulations, you have reached a certain level in your English proficiency. And you have arrived at a stage where you are ready to learn these more difficult English sounds.